Hi, my name's Nick. I'm Environmental Manager here at Loughborough University. The following are my 5 tips to help you improve your recycling. My first tip is to check out your local arrangements for recycling. You can do this through the council website and the university website. Although councils are looking to standardise recycling, it will invariably differ from council to council, and it will differ for commercial halls of residence as well as university halls of residence. A lot of people don't realise that a lot of recycling is rejected because it's not clean and dry. Rinsing containers as soon as you've emptied them avoids the need for washing and will save time. Where possible, try and squash containers so they take up less room. My third tip is to try and reduce waste packaging where possible. Try buying loose or take your own containers to the supermarket. Many supermarkets now allow you to do this. My fourth tip is try separating food waste where schemes exist, such as popping your food waste into a caddy like this, or try making your own compost. My fifth and final tip is to carry a reusable coffee cup. This avoids single-use coffee cups, which are difficult to recycle. I hope these tips have been useful in helping you improve your recycling, but also in reducing your waste. If you have any tips of your own, please leave them in the comments section.